Welcome to another giveaway day here at Icky Chic Designs. Let's see, today is going to be November the 18th giveaway, and we are actually announcing the winner of yesterday's, which would have been the 17th. The winner of the November 17th giveaway is Regina from Brazil. So this envelope that I have just finished packaging is going to Brazil. So congratulations, Regina. And what are we giving away today? Today we're giving away one of the little fabric coins that I do, okay? And we're giving away another of these beautiful quilted hearts. Now these items are ready for you to use in some of your projects, okay? The next one is the little bird. The little bird in his nest with his little eggs. Isn't he cute? I just love him. All right. Okay, so those three things are going to be the giveaway for November the 18th. There'll be three things, and they will go into this envelope. And so that's how they will arrive. I will package them and then send them out. Again, please remember to follow the directions. You need to comment on the video if you want to win that day's prize, but you also have to have registered. And to do that, you need to send me the information by email that I gave you on the beginning of this video. You only have to send the information to my email one time. That's all you have to do. And then I have that information, and should you be a winner, you'll already be registered. However, you must comment on any video, giveaway video, if you want to win that prize for that, what's in that video, okay? So that means if you haven't won, keep entering if you want to win, because keep commenting on the videos, and we'll see how it goes. Right now, we don't have a ton of people commenting, and so your chances are good of winning. So right now it's time to jump in on it, okay? All right. Till tomorrow's drawing, let's all stay very scrap happy.